Okay, so welcome to the IT world, I would say. Uh, what happened is actually not much of a crash, like Thomas said, but the go-to webinar application crashed, and I was not able to start it. I was not able to press nothing, and yeah, based on that part, I needed to improvise because the whole computer went to freeze. So this is it, and uh, as you can see, Microsoft has huge challenges. Everybody that's using Skype all the time, and that's happening for 3 months. And people are asking, "Oh, where the bugs will end?" No, they'll never end because this is IT world. If you want no bugs, then you shouldn't be anyway in the IT planet, anyways. Okay, I hope everybody can see my slides loud and clear. Yeah, just put in because some people were saying before that they are not able to see it. Okay, good. I just want to make few short things. I'm a little bit sick due to all the traveling for the roadshow, so it caught up to me. And we had an amazing event today in Bucharest, and tomorrow we're actually having the last event in Veliko Trnovo, Bulgaria, which is also a very special one since we have two new coordinators there. So we will be giving out tomorrow two new big screen TVs over there. But what I really want to say to you, the ticket sales and everything is going really well for the Saturday's event, and we have really a lot of people coming up from many different parts of the world. We have people already arrived here in Budapest, so the first arrivals already came. That's first members from Malaysia, China are already here. So unfortunately, was not able to really take them around Budapest. I'm also already in Budapest preparing and getting ready for everything. But what I really want to understand you first before we go to the special thing at the end is one thing about promoting events. Now, what is actually events in our industry is anything and everything, yeah? And as you all know, tomorrow we have the last day where the ticket prices are still 30 euro, yeah? After this means Wednesday, the price is gonna go to 90 euro. So use tomorrow for your last tickets. Make sure you make your last arrangements for buses, cars. I know there's gonna be a lot of buses coming from Slovenia, several of them. We have a lot of buses coming also from Romania. We have buses coming from Austria, from Czech. We have people flying in from all over, and of course a lot of people with cars. So basically we are creating the events. So if you're serious about the business and you're really serious to make this business on the next level, we need to have serious mindset. So first of all, you're non-negotiable. Attending is not an option for you. All the leaders are there, and you have to expect your team to go too. And you need to understand the power and the reason of events promotion, because it's going to build up your belief and confidence, first of all, in opportunity. And this is what everybody's going to see this Saturday in Budapest. And they're going to get better belief and confidence in co-founders, in leadership, in training, in personal and by express team, most importantly in yourself. And a lot of you have been waiting for something to happen, something that will come from above, that will move you. And this will never come, but if you move yourself and few of your people to this event definitely is going to do that for you. And why? You'll get bigger vision, bigger why, purpose and dreams. You'll get a stronger language about it. You'll get a stronger attitude, better knowledge, and you're going to become a better teacher, yeah? And because you're going to become all of this, you will also become a leader. You'll take ownership in the whole project. You're going to be more productive. You're going to get paid. You're going to help others to get paid. And you're going to see success. And as you all know, success is contagious. So no matter what you will be or you are doing, you will be taking actually your business to a whole new level. So that's the most important part to say. And I apologize a little bit because I really don't have a lot of voice for today's call, so I'm gonna try to be very, very fast on all the slides because I don't believe I'm gonna last for another 10 minutes. So to promote events is through stories, yeah. I always promote a great story from one of my friends, one of the top leaders in Slovenia. He came to 3 days to Budapest. He didn't even know what he's gonna listen to on the seminar. He stayed there. Sunday night, he sent resignation email, and now he's one of the most successful people in the business. Okay, and I can say we have a lot of interesting things coming up, also thanks to him, and you're gonna be seeing it on this Saturday's event. We have a lot of announcements, a lot of cool things that's going to be polished, and of course, a lot of cool products and a lot of other things that you don't know of yet. So, what you need to do as well is you need to be passionate. You need to create urgency because this event is going to happen now. It's never ever gonna be another event like this one in Budapest. Yeah, never ever. And you know, I'm just printing myself another 20 tickets tomorrow because I know I'll put a little bit more effort to it. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit more to get these few extra people that can really make a difference on this 21st of May. Now you need to be non-negotiable for the event as well, because if people see this attitude in you, everybody will make sure that they attend the event. And if you want to build a business long term with these people around you, you need to be non-negotiable. Because the people that will not come to the event, they're not really gonna build the belief, they're not really gonna do something about it. And you know, they're not gonna be productive, simple as that. And you need to promote it as if you would owe it to them. And you need to always have on next event more people that you had on the previous one. So the events will do for your team what you alone cannot, okay? If you cannot give enough power to the people, enough confidence to the people, enough belief, enough force, drive, enough hungriness, let's say, this is the event's gonna do, because the event's gonna show these people what's actually possible for them to be done. Now, what is important? You need to have the right attitude, of course, persistence. You need to think it and believe it before you're doing, and you need to be a team player. That's the most important. And you know, people will always follow you. Monkey see, monkey do. This is only 5 days left, so make sure you do your everything to promote this event like you never promoted something else before in your life. Now, what everybody has been waiting or is waiting or has been, let's say, questioning or waiting or wanting to check to see, I'm just gonna do not full screen mode, is the new product that we've been promoting, talking about it for some time already now. And this product, we're gonna release a teaser video today. Now, from tomorrow onwards, it's gonna be open on all the social media. So in case you will not be able to see everything fully clearly, we're gonna be, of course, you're gonna be able to see and share it among your friends tomorrow. So let's listen to the video, and then I'm gonna add up a few things next to the video. And I hope, despite all the challenges I had with GoToWebinar, that the line should be okay, and you would be able to see the video without a challenge. So I would like to ask if you were able to see the video and the message, or it had a little bit buffer into it. So okay, good, you could see it. Now, because it's still something that needs to rest for event, the new product is going to be called Xstack, and it's not just one product. We have Xstack and we have Xstack Plus. Now, what the first slide would say, I'm going to go a little bit by slides so you can see easier. This sign here is very important, yeah? And it's a teaser video, yeah? It's not explanation video. Explanation video or explanation is going to be a whole session on Saturday's event about it. But more or less it states the future of advertising. This is what it is, yeah? Because it's the future of advertising. Nobody has done something like it, and we are actually the first ones in the world with this device, with Xstacks, with this technology, with this whole system and ecosystem around it. So what have you seen through the video is the people going to places, people seeing Starbucks offers, people seeing travel offers. Travel offer, yes, no. They came out from train station, they saw another offer, yes, no. You saw mass market campaigns options. You could see a lot of other global advertising at the touch of the button, and a lot more. Now, what I can say to this product is when you will understand it, yeah, and you will understand it on Saturday, not before, because I will not explain the product today. If you want that the product is explained today, then it's no point you come really on Budapest. We have our own Xstack ambassador that's going to be presenting this on Budapest on stage. Now, what this product is going to do, most importantly, is going to do a big change the way we see advertisement today. It has nothing to do with existing Ad Blaster. It's a completely different thing. It's a completely new thing. It's one thing I can say, it's totally mobile. So it's gonna be mobile. You're gonna have certain apps already ready on Saturday for everybody to start using it and testing it and sharing it and all the other things. Of course, you'll get rewarded from it. And most importantly, this product has potential of making you crazy amount of money for its distribution and sharing, yeah? And you know how exactly this is gonna work, how exactly this is gonna feel, what it's gonna do. We have a product that nobody else on the market has it, a product that everybody is willing to pay for it, and a product that you can earn ridiculous money out of it, yeah? And why does it make so, what does it make so special? What does it make so different? Because nobody has done what we have done. And these are the new Xstack products, Xstack and Xstack Plus. And these two products, they're going to be detailed, explained on the event on Saturday. And really, if you want to see revolution from first hand, if you want to see the info from first hand, you're still now guessing what exactly does it does. It's something like AdWords. No, it has nothing to do with AdWords. It's something like Facebook ads. No, it has nothing to do with like Facebook ads. It has something to do with special coupons. No, it has nothing to do with special coupons. Yeah, it's a whole new vision, whole new idea. We're the first, and we're gonna write the history with everybody here together. So the beta version is gonna be released on Saturday, and I'm really excited if I could tell you now everything what it is behind, because I know when you hear the presentation, when you hear the 20 slides we prepared, the whole product is going to be explained just in 2 slides, so it's very simple for everyone. But you know, when you hear the whole presentation and the whole thing around it, you're gonna be blown away because you're gonna see earning potential of Xstack that you have never seen or experienced before. Never, ever, ever before. Yeah, this I can promise you. This I can tell you. Even from the company side, we're willing to really give away all the profits to the members' benefits. So how, what exactly you're gonna do with it, when you're gonna do it, how you're gonna do it. Saturday, Budapest, 18, I think around 18 o'clock is gonna be the session. So make sure you don't miss it. And of course, we have a couple of other launches prepared during the day. So make sure you go there and you're gonna see it and you will get it. It's not just gonna make you BVs, it's also gonna directly make you money. Okay, now how you're gonna make it, how much money, what we're talking about, how it's gonna this work for you is something you haven't seen before, is something that nobody has seen before, but you will see it first among anybody else on this weekend, Saturday in Budapest, 1300. Make sure this week you arrive to Budapest from 10 to 12:30 when the check-ins are open. 12:30 we will be closing the check-in counters. So strictly at 1 o'clock we are starting the event with one lunch break. Keep in mind we don't have catering for this event. So you have a shopping center next to it with food courts, with shops, but it can get also crowded because we expect a big number of people for it. We're gonna have definitely, we made a lot of different things for the event, surprises, a lot of different acts. So definitely it's gonna be unforgettable. We have really large sales of tickets happening, and we are really looking forward for this weekend. As I said, it's really going to change a lot. This product is going to be the flagship product of our company, meaning from this Saturday onwards it's going to become the most important product of the company, also in a way with the highest potential at the end of the day. So it's going to bring the game of BuyExpress on whole new level. So make sure you attend it, you share it with your friends, you show it, you show the teaser video, and you get everybody to know from the first hand what it does, and you speak with creators of it and to understand the real vision potential of it. Because I've been explaining this, to the people that, they explained it to me, let's say like this. And when I understood this, I said, wow, like this nobody really has done before. So so that's the most important part, yeah. And make sure you bring as many people as you can to this Budapest event, because it's going to be event to remember. This I can promise you. You'll see things you've never seen before, and you'll see definitely one product that I just shown you that you never saw before. And now, yes, you're going to search online what is here, what is there. It's not that much things online yet, but it will be after this weekend event. So please do not start asking questions, me or anybody in the management, what are the packages, what are the products, what it's going to do, how you're going to make money, how you're going to do this or that. But it is the future. That's the most important part. And we are creating this future right here, right now. And in Saturday, history will be written. So I see you all on Saturday. I wish you a great evening. I apologize again for the delay because of the GoToWebinar crash. And I wish you an amazing week. I'm looking forward to see every single one of you on Saturday's event. And you have still 5 days to go. So these 5 days, do the most as you can to get as many people as you can there. Why? To bring more people with you. Once you understand the concept of Xstack, you will try to get every single person you can to that event, because that person can potentially also do you a lot of good. Okay? And with this, I'm gonna leave it for tonight. Thanks again, everyone. Still, don't forget, Tomorrow, Veliko Trnovo, it's change of location, so get updated from our Facebook page. Thank you to all and good night.